In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to resize a video in Camtasia Studio. So what I have to do, I have to click once on the video, so this menu will pop up, and here you can locate scale. If you drag and drop this point, you can readjust the size, or you can type it manually 50 from 50%, 25, and of course 100% is the original size, okay? And also you can drag and drop the video from its margins to readjust the size exactly how you want. Something else which you can do very cool in Camtasia Studio, you can readjust the rotation, the angle. As an example, here you can find rotation. This is the Z-axis. Okay, let's see what the Y-axis will do. This is a very cool stuff which you can do in Camtasia Studio, and this is the X. I will give you an example what you can do with this. Let's go to animations, add a custom one, and before the animation, this is the side before, and after the arrow, let's change the rotation maybe to something like that. And let's see how now the animation will play out. And you got a point how the animations works with resizing a video. Something else which you might want to know in Camtasia Studio about resizing a video, if you click here at the percent, doesn't matter what percent you have, then project settings, you can find here canvas dimensions, and mine is full HD. This is 1920 on 1080, the long format of YouTube videos, or also here you can find 9 by 16. This is the 1080 by 1920. This is the TikTok resolution, or also the YouTube Shorts resolution. So this is how to resize a video in Camtasia Studio. I hope this tutorial answered your questions, and I also hope you have a wonderful day.